Greetings, Dane. We are anonymous. This is a short request, a think tank to the voting citizens of the Danish election. We has comes to a crossroad. If we look in the past, we cannot allow ourselves to make the same mistake. Therefore we must take the right stand so we can be the same proud people. It is not all about money, not about her, and certainly not about him. But about us. They will just stay in power, what they used to do. They have only one thing in mind, money. Stone cold cash. They never fulfill their promise, they never will. We are not slaves, we are not machines. We are men, men of humanity. What if we didn't set a cross? Will they go home? Can we live without them? What if? Anonymous knows that these things will never happen. So why don't we try something new? Everybody take a new stand. The corporate media tells us there are only two party, red and blue, who can win the prime minister post. That's not true. You know those two party already been on that post and we are sick and tired of them, so don't vote on them, vote on another party. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.